My friend, you are already here.
You're late, man.
What do you mean you are late? You have to greet me first.
Salam alaikum.
What is salam alaikum? You don't know how to greet good afternoon.
Salam alaikum. You West African, me East African. We don't greet good afternoon.
Where I come from, in West Africa, there's something we call Africa time. We have to respect that. That's why I came late.
That's why you guys always go UN embassy begging for money. Let's start the show. You come 10 minutes late, but you have your food ready, eh?
You don't need to tell me. I'm already
all right. How was Italy?
Italy, Italy was very good. You know, when I got to Italy, if you see the way they welcomed me.
Before we go, where in Italy were you?
I was in Napoli.
Okay.
You don't know. Napoli is like a small Nigeria. So that's the only place I can relate with. Okay. I was there. Okay. Immediately I go there, they welcome me very well.
Okay.
Oh, you need to see how I was welcomed like a chief that I am, you know.
So, a chief of where? Which country are you chief?
Don't worry about that. We can talk about that later, you know. After the show.
Are you sure we can do the show with this man?
He's the perfect guy for this.
Thank you, my brother.
This guy always want to talk.
They all know me. You're the only one that doesn't know me that much. But like I was saying, I was in Napoli.
Okay.
And I met our son that is doing very well. His name is Osei-Tutu. I'm very sure you know him. Everybody knows.
Nigerian man.
Of course. Osei-Tutu, the great footballer.
The guy that every team now want to buy. You met him.
Oh,
you are crazy. This man, I think he is lying. I don't know if you can do this show with him.
You don't believe me?
He's saying he met Osimhen. Osimhen now maybe top 10 striker top 5. You
don't insult our brother. He is not the top. He's the top 2. Only 2 people. Only him and Rashford. Finish.
You crazy? What about Benzema?
This one is
my Muslim brother.
That one is old man already. We're talking about young talent.
This man, he doesn't know football. He just know Osimhen because he's from Nigeria. That's why you prefer him.
You can say whatever you like. But like I said, he is our own. The son of the soil.
All right. Continue.
He's the son of the soil. I met him.
Okay.
And he is doing very good.
Okay.
Very, very good. Okay. And then I even took him to a place where he has to get good food. You know,
okay.
But I told him if you want to do better in life and score more goals, you have to eat good food.
Okay.
And then we went to Mrs. Sharon's restaurant in Napoli.
Really?
No. Sharon restaurant. Write it down so you don't forget. Sharon restaurant.
Okay.
We went there.
So you would recommend it for me?
Oh, that place is the best restaurant you can go in
really?
Italy, in Napoli. Oh, of course. And I told him he has to be eating specific food.
Okay.
Very, very specific.
Okay.
You know what I mean? He has to be eating a goosey with rice.
Okay.
Fish.
Okay.
Fish.
Okay.
Don't forget.
Fish.
A goosey, rice, and fish. Forget the color of the rice. Okay. Whether red, whether yellow, or white rice. Any rice you want to eat, but make sure it's the rice. Yes. Rice and fish.
Now you think that make him better footballer?
If he does not eat that, he won't score goals.
You're very sure.
I recommended the food for it to him, and he's eating it, and he's doing well.
So this man say he knows Osimhen. Now this man is also like doctor. You are doctor. You know which footballer must eat to get better. What don't you know? In your life, what don't you know?
I am still trying to find out.
So you know everything.
Everything.
All wise.
Everything.
The Alpha and Omega.
See, let me tell you. No, don't go too far.
Okay. That's where you.
The Alpha and the Omega is up there.
Okay. That's so you have a little bit of respect.
Of course.
I get it.
Now you know what we are doing.
You're good. You're not all haram.
No.
Continue with your story.
So, like I said, I was there.
Okay.
And I told him Sharon restaurant is the best restaurant.
Okay.
You know, because I already did my research before I went there. Yes. So I took him there.
Yes.
And now he's patronizing the woman.
Okay.
You know, he's a good footballer, as you can say. And he will score more goals and do well.
All right.
As long as he's still eating that food,
all right. Maybe he's lying. Maybe
Sharon restaurant.
Maybe we don't know. Before we continue, you listen to Davido album.
Davido. Oh, Davido. Oh. Do you know that Davido is actually the son of my great grandfather's cousin's friend niece?
You didn't tell me you're Benin man. How Benin man related to Yoruba man?
No, the thing is this. You know, back in the days,
Okay.
during my forefathers, they actually migrated from Benin and went to a place where they called or named Eko,
Okay.
which is now the modern Lagos.
Okay.
And that is where the forefather of Davido's great-grandfather is from.
Okay.
So that's how we are related.
So now you're educating us on history also.
So I said I know everything, but you didn't believe me.
Wow.
But don't worry. As time goes on, I will enlighten you more about these things.
Okay, but you listen, album is good or?
Oh, the album is great.
It's great.
One of the best albums I have listened to for a while now. And if for the first time the video is not shouting too much.
Right, yeah.
Oh, compared to the other song.
I know what you mean.
Even when he's singing love song, he's singing, oh baby, Jaja, No.
Maybe this time because he married now. You hear it. He married to Chioma now, long time girlfriend.
You see what I was telling you about food.
But let me ask you something. You're wise man. You say you know everything. Maybe you know. Maybe I don't know. You may be lying. What do you think? What advice you give him for marriage with Chioma that it can last for long? Not like you divorce. Not that it won't be like yours. You know, you divorced 3 times, you know.
Yeah, you trying to insult me.
No, but you divorced 3 times. You know what mistakes you can make. You don't know how to keep a marriage, but maybe you know the mistakes, and you can tell Davido don't do this.
Wait,
don't do
let
this,
me
don't do
correct
this.
you. Point
Okay.
of correction. The women ran away. They did not divorce. They ran away.
But that's worse.
You don't know what
No,
happened.
that's worse. This man said you won't correct me and tell me the woman ran away. If the woman ran away, then this problem is you. I thought the problem is women, but the problem is you.
They ran away. You don't know why, but you are Eastern African, and you cannot understand Western Africa. So don't leave that one.
Educate
So
us.
for Davido,
Yes,
I
sir.
will advise him.
Yes, sir.
He wants to marry that woman.
Yes.
Is the best idea.
He has already married, not he wants to.
Oh, he has never married. Oh,
Yes,
sorry,
sir.
I forgot.
Give me
You
advice. He has
know,
already
I
married.
have too much in my head, so I forget
Yeah.
some things.
Producer, I tell you, this man, maybe he need sickness check.
No. So let me tell you something.
Give advice.
Let me tell you.
You say you're wise.
As far as he has married that woman,
Yes,
is the best idea.
Okay.
You know why?
Okay, why?
Because she's a cook. She cooks.
Oh.
Just like Sharon restaurant.
Oh.
She has her own restaurant too.
Okay.
I cannot remember the name right now.
But she's not fat, huh? She's not fat.
She's not.
She's beautiful.
Oh, this one.
You
She has back.
You retake.
Me?
You retake. You get chance. You take.
We cannot say it in front of camera.
Yeah.
We'll say it later. We'll talk about that.
Producer, this is my friend. I know what he think. I know what he don't think.
You understand me?
Yeah.
But the lady is very good.
Yes.
No, in fact, no others for him. You should continue.
Okay.
You should continue. He's doing well.
He's doing well.
Yes.
You trust everything.
He's doing well. He's very okay.
All right, no
Yes.
problem. Producer, play the clip of the homeless man in New York when he still rise. Play the clip.
Of the platform. Oh, this man is looking down of the platform. Oh, this man is looking down.
How you find the clip?
You
But before you start, you ever been New York?
New York.
No.
New York is here.
This West African man, he think he be everywhere. Let me tell you, I been New York.
Okay.
I go Manhattan.
Yes.
I know everything. Subway, a lot of crazy people.
Yes.
But maybe you village man, maybe you don't know much about
Me?
New York.
You don't know anything. I have been to Bronx before. You know a place called Bronx?
Bros, I hear.
You hear, but I
Yeah,
haven't there.
just Manhattan.
Oh.
Yeah, just Manhattan. Tourist.
See, you need to be there.
In
In
Bronx.
fact, you have to visit there.
Okay.
You see all those ladies, those Dominican ladies,
Ooh.
with backside, front side. Oh.
Complete package.
That's where they. I'm telling you,
The complete package.
that is where they stay. You know Cardi B?
Yes, I know Cardi B. The guy, big stripper.
Yes.
before.
Oh, you know.
Tattoo.
That's the same place it says. I'm telling you, back in my days, we used to call that place Cardi Hood
Okay.
because of Cardi B.
Okay.
But it's originally Bronx.
So that is in Bronx.
I tell you.
That's when you get the fine ladies.
I said, not just fine ladies with endowment.
With the whole package.
Front and back.
Okay, with the whole package.
You understand that?
Okay.
So when you are talking about New York, you are with the right person.
But let me ask you, how long you stay in Bronx?
In Bronx, Because I'm a busy man, I don't really stay that long in cities. I just go there, do my jobs, make sure that everything is okay, and then I leave. To the next one. No time to waste time. So
maybe one day we go together, Bronx.
I have to observe your attitude. If your attitude is right, of course.
This man sometimes is my friend, sometimes he's not my friend. I don't know.
This. Eastern Africans, I don't want you to disgrace me there. But you're my friend. I will help you. Don't worry. I will help.
But give advice to this homeless man. Why he still rise?
You see, things are getting difficult in this life.
Okay.
I would partially blame the government.
Okay.
Because in the place I live right now.
Yes.
I don't want to mention names.
Okay, no problem.
I don't want to say.
No problem.
But where I live right now, you will not say such things.
Okay.
Because our government is so good at people like that. They have been taken care of.
Okay.
You understand me?
Okay.
If you look at this man, you find out that this man is a homeless person. He was not even wearing shoes.
Yeah, barefoot.
You understand me now?
Barefoot.
So he was just putting on his pants and that was it.
Yes.
And then if you watch him clearly, you find out that this man must be very, very hungry. And now a lady is inside I don't even know, maybe somewhere, and then you are eating very good food, and maybe the aroma was very, very, very nice as well.
He catches those. He catches those.
There's something that a man that has not eaten for maybe 4 days and is very, the same. And a hungry man is an angry man.
Yes, sir. That's true.
So you don't expect the man to be looking at you, holding that kind of food in your hand, and you are eating, and the aroma is coming through the nose. You understand that?
I get you.
So
from nose to brain.
So the brain has told him that attack.
That's why. Okay, no problem. You're right. The government in New York maybe must do more for the people.
Provide for them.
Yes.
Give them food. Give them house or something like that.
Yes.
Where I come from, things like that don't happen.
No problem.
I try my best to make sure these people are.
You're rich anyway. You say you're rich anyway, so no problem. You say you're rich anyway. You watch Big Brother Nigeria?
Big Brother Nigeria.
Yes. Not much.
Not really. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I hear about it anyways. I don't.
But you know, White Money. He used to be on that show.
White Money. Oh,
White Money.
The guy that's a little bit fair.
Yes.
Oh, White Money.
Yes.
Maybe the way you pronounce the name, I didn't hear it clearly. White Money. No. White Money is a friend to one of my cousin's brother.
Producer, please.
No. Why don't you believe me?
Producer, please.
No. You want me to call him? I can call him right now. Just I don't have credit on my phone.
I want to do this show with him, but maybe I will get tired because he say he knows everything. How do you know White Money? White Money, he doesn't like guys like you.
Let me tell you,
this man here, eye open. He know fashion, not like you. You see what you're wearing. White Money is
now you want to talk about fashion.
No,
but we'll talk about it later because I know you don't have an idea.
I tell you, African, he's different.
Wait, let me explain to you. White Money, that name did not just come from nowhere. You understand me now? The name came long time ago. You understand me now? So while his father was very young, they were still in primary school.
Okay.
So the father of his father, which is the grandfather,
okay,
was working in the company.
Okay.
Yeah. In the company, there were white people there.
Okay.
The white man's company.
The British people.
You got it. White company. So they were producing. I can't remember because then I was still very little. So they were producing some good things, and then they were paying them in pounds. And then we didn't know the pound, the currency.
So you call it white money.
No, we're not calling the money what we were paying white money because it was white people's money.
My friend, you're not lying.
You see, I'm not. You think I don't know you?
My friend, I doubt you a little bit, but now I see you're not lying.
I told you.
This man is good for the show.
He was born when in my presence. He was very there. What do you?
No problem. Producer, play the clip of him talking about the hookup guests on Honest Branch podcast because I think this man also he might pay for girls, so he must listen to what White Money is about to say.
Okay, let us see.
Play the clip.
Okay. Producer.
You said most of these big brother girls, when they come outside, say that they come meet you, say make you show them the way.
Most of them, the kind of way they want me to show them is like, you come up with your friends now, your big friends now, I want to chill with Obi, I want to chill with the. I say, I want hookah.
Hook up.
I know what you want basically is not to do business because you don't do that kind of business. Look at the last set I just finished. That is their doing set. How many of those people in that set marketed themselves well to the point where Abu can even endorse you? You asked me about the ladies. They don't go there most of them don't go there to say they won't go hustle. They're going to show off. So when they come out, we say, one white man, because you number that girl. I like him the way she shake kuku there. You get the point now. A few of them that have come to me as a white show us how do they. I told them straight, point blank to their faces. I said, when you were in the house, what did you do? All you did was fight, make out, argue. The show is a platform for you to come out and get elevated and use it to milk it. You understand? I milk that shit. I'm still making that shit. I'm making all of it. I didn't let booty confuse me. I was looking at it, but I said, no, bruh. We are going for the title, fam.
Okay. To sum it all up, for the people, what he say? Sum it up for me.
That people, the young girls are calling him to hook him up with his rich friends.
Okay.
And you see, I am not surprised.
Okay.
Because in that part of the country where he is from, these things are going on.
Which part of the country? Nigeria, you mean West Africa?
Why are you always trying? What is wrong with this man? Why is he always trying to throw shit at you? What is the problem? No, let me tell you something in case you don't know.
Okay, tell me.
Hookup is one of the most lucrative business ever. And one of the oldest business ever.
This man promoting
even in the Bible.
No, please.
Even in the Bible.
No, my friend. Please, I am good religion.
My friend, I'm good religion. Let me tell you something. If hookup should start.
No, my friend. Producer, maybe I will start.
Wait, let me tell you. Wait, listen.
You want to promote haram?
I am not promoting.
Why
I am explaining to you.
No, why you say hookup is positive, is bring lucrative? Why you say it's bring positive, is lucrative?
Mr. Man, wait. Hold on. Now I tell you.
My name is Abdul, my friend.
Abdul?
Yes.
Or Abul Babu?
See, now he insulting my name. My mother, father give me good name.
Okay, sorry.
My name.
Abdul.
Thank you.
Mr. Abdul.
Thank you.
Please wait. Now I tell you. Hookup is a new name.
Okay.
Hookup is something we all know as Olosho.
Olosho?
Yeah.
Okay.
We call it Olosho. You understand me now? There is a difference between you doing Olosho and doing hookup.
Okay.
Olosho is the one that you have to go and meet in the house. They have a shop. It's like you are buying yam in the market or plantain in the market.
The girl is in the shop.
It is in the shop. You will be the one to go and make
the customer come. The customer come.
Exactly.
Okay.
And immediately you go there, he tell you, take off your clothes and you hang the clothes.
That is Olosho.
That is Olosho.
Okay.
Now they have upgraded it now to hookup.
Okay.
Hookup now, you will be the one.
That is upgrade, modern world.
Now, exactly. Now the hookup now, you don't need to leave your house anymore. They will come and meet you in the house.
Okay, so that's just the difference.
That's how the difference.
So before you pay for Olosho, you do Olosho.
Abdul.
Okay.
Let us not talk about this one.
You're right. You're right. Let's
So what am I trying to say? Is everywhere. Yeah?
But my friend, let's be a little bit serious.
Yes.
If you have a daughter or a young girl, would you say, my friend, go and do hookup, or what would you say to this girl?
To my
maybe your daughter.
God forbid.
Why God forbid? The people doing this also have father.
God forbid.
Why
I don't want any man to do to my daughter what I have done to other daughters.
Okay.
God forbid.
You see, producer, what he's talking about?
I can never accept that.
Okay.
No. I tell you, as a young lady,
yes,
you need to get education.
Education. Okay.
Go to school.
Yes.
And be something useful to your life.
Now you are talking.
Look for a good job.
Now you're talking.
And not vandalizing yourself.
Now you're talking. Now you're showing you are a wise man.
Oh, of course I'm a wise
man. Before
you
bush.
No, I was just explaining to you what the Olosho is, you know.
Oh.
But many people are doing it. But I mean, I tell them, stop it. It does not make sense. And white money, if you have been sponsoring these people, please also try to stop it because it's not the best.
Thank you. Let's get to the Zazul man. Controversial singer Portable. He got a visit at his place of business. Visit at the place of business.
Yes.
They say police come.
You don't mean it.
Yes, police come at his place of business. And you know what this man do? He take phone.
Yes.
He go Instagram live. Producer, play the clip.
This is interesting.
Zadu, I live in this zoo, babu. I destroy you. I'm a babu. I stay in the zoo. Zadu, I'm a babu. I live in the zoo. Zadu. Inú gbọ́dọ̀ ti máa blow. Wọ́n lé mi títí láti Lẹ́kí. Mo sá wá nugbó. Ẹ tún lé mi wá nugbó. Hey, come. Jẹ́ ń gbé ẹ débẹ̀. Police is our friend. Àwọn tó wà yìí, they are not our friend. They are fake police. They don't have ID card. They don't have ID card.
We invite someone before you come and arrest the person.
Why can't you invite me?
You just come here and come and arrest
Hey,
people.
kí ló dé tó yí o máa fi invite his star náà? Wetin star do you? If you wan invite me, na money you go use to invite me. You dey invite star. You dey put paper, no put money. You dey write paper, no put money. Kí ni star ṣe? Yahoo boy, na him say make dem go arrest me o. Say me and him get matter. Say police do Yahoo boy don combine. They don do combination. No be. Na legit money me I dey spend o, no be Yahoo money o. Editor wèrè. Ṣé torí I dey do like say be star? Kí ló kọ́rọ́ èmi pẹ̀lú gbé celebrity ògùn fẹ́ pa yín ṣá? Ṣé ya wèrè ni? Did you know me before? Did I know you? Are you my God? Wo ti di wèrè o? Ẹ ti wọlé ti Késárì.
What do you think about your friend, Portable?
Yeah, the first thing I want to tell you is this. I appreciate the fact that you called him my friend.
Because he fits you. Well, he's somebody who, if you friend with him, it makes sense. You friend with Osimhen does not make sense.
No.
You friend with Portable.
Now you are beginning to understand me.
Yes.
I told you I am known everywhere. I'm a very popular person.
Yes.
Do you know that I was with Portable 2 months ago in Lagos?
I believe you.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, because Portable crazy like you.
It's not a celebrity. It's not called crazy. It's called energetic. It has energy.
Okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You're not crazy. You're energetic.
He has energy.
Yes.
I was with him last 2 months ago.
Okay.
Yeah.
Party in Lagos.
Of course. We had a great time together.
Okay.
We were talking about some business and all that. He's a good guy. He's a good guy. He has a lot of energy, like I said.
That's the problem. Too much energy.
So you see, when I saw this video, I was laughing because I know him. I know the kind of person that he is.
Yes.
The thing is this: Nigeria.
Yes.
They have to start working on themselves, especially the police.
Yes.
Okay, now we have seen and been hearing people have commented.
No, let me stop you. I don't want problem with Nigeria police.
Oh
no, my friend, I don't want problem with Nigeria police.
Are you afraid of Nigeria police?
Yes, I am afraid. I'm East African. We don't do violence. We don't do violence, but I know Nigeria police dangerous. Producer, if this man speak on police again, we'll stop the show.
Okay. No problem. Let us leave the police alone.
Police, please.
Let's leave the police.
See, any wise man, there's 2 things you don't speak on. You don't speak on Nigeria police.
Yes.
And you don't speak on president of Nigeria. Tinubu, Asiwaju. You know him. Very dangerous people.
Next question.
See?
I would rather not talk about that.
That's what I tell you. Any wise man, you don't talk about Nigeria police and you don't talk about Nigeria president. Because we don't want problem.
I don't want to go to court. So I would rather be obedient and not be disobedient. You know what I mean? I want to obey the
One moment.
Okay.
Yeah, hello. I am on set. I cannot continue talking with you. What do you want me to buy? Yes, I will buy all the groceries you need. No problem. I will buy all the groceries. Yes, I'm with my friend. You know the guy a little bit. Yes, you can talk to him. My friend. My wife says she wants to talk to you. Yes.
Hello, madam. You are doing well.
Don't talk nonsense. Don't say too much. Don't say too much.
Okay. Oh yeah. We are just having some good time together and doing some business. You know, good things actually. So I never knew you were married to this man. Oh.
Where are you going?
Okay. So out of all the men in the world, you didn't see any other person but this not.
A producer, no, he wants to spoil my marriage.
No, he's my friend, of course. No. You don't. When you say the best of the same feather, no, you don't. See, don't get it wrong. I'm a very good man. But this my friend. If you know what he has done here today.
Yeah, my friend, what are you doing?
If you know the kind of people, the kind of women, the people that are backstage. No, not women. I mean,
what are you saying?
It's like there's trouble. So okay, you have a good time, man. Let me give me back.
I'm sorry. You know, I told you this my friend. He's a little bit hish.
I said guess.
A little bit hish.
I was not supposed to say.
Sometimes the brain is off. Sometimes it's on. Okay. Don't listen to what he's saying. I will buy all the grocery you need. You eat food. You get fat for me. That's how I like. Thank you. Okay. I'll talk to you later.
He wants his wife to be fat, and he has some slim girls back there.
No, my friend, you are the woman best.
You are deceiving yourself.
Fat woman best. What do you want? You want slim woman? Me, I like fat woman, like 100 kilo plus.
I don't care how big you are, just have nyash.
You also like me then?
Nyash.
I like nyash. Yeah, you like me then, no problem. But you don't have fat wife.
I'm West Africa. I have nyash. I don't have fat wife. I have nyash wife.
I sometimes I feel
I have wife with nyash.
Wait, let me go wash my hands. I join you eat.
Very good.
No, let me go.
We are still on the show. You what? Continue your program.
No, come on. I
Don't
get a little bit hungry.
Don't worry, I will leave some. I will leave some.
Go for me.
I will leave some for you. Don't worry.
Come on, man. Let me go wash my hands, man.
Baby, sit down. Very good.
Producer, now I can't even eat. It's problem. It's not easy, you know. Doing this job, I don't know how long I can do it.
I am the guest. You are the host, and you want to eat.
Producer, I don't know how long I can eat because I want to eat with him, but he said no. Like you make him boss of me or what?
Please, give him at least one. Give him at least.
No, you make him the boss of me or what?
Oh no!
Why he does not allow me?
You only know there's one boss here. You only know there's one boss here. There's one boss here. Please, I want peace, peaceful. Please be peaceful.
Please, viewers, this man. If you see me one day, I slap him because he doesn't respect me.
No, please.
Producer also.
I am a babu. I live in the zoo. Zazu.
I tell you, him and Portable good friends.
You can't do me anything.
I tell you and Portable.
You can't do me anything.
Oh.
I live in the zoo.
If you live in the zoo, let me ask you something. You ever eat insects?
Insects?
Yes, sir. This small animal.
You see the problem? I have been telling you. I knew something like this will come. I knew very soon he will insult me. No, I know it was going to cost me. See, be careful, my friend. There are things I play with.
I'm sorry.
Be careful with it. No, I should I go?
Oh no, please.
It's just a question.
What kind of stupid question is that? If you don't have a question to ask, you keep quiet.
You eat insects.
What insects? I should eat insects.
But let me tell you, it's good for climate. It's good for climate because let me tell you a story. A teacher in Utah, America, she tell her students as assignment, children, don't eat beef, go eat insects. It's good for climate change. Make good air. Make good air. Okay? So maybe you try eat insects, do some good for the world.
I would have said God punish her, but for the sake of God do your work.
No, my friend, look.
You are crazy. What do you they keep quiet? What do you mean by the insects?
Okay, I'm sorry.
When there's goat meat, there's cow meat,
yes.
There's grasshopper,
yes.
There's grasshopper,
yes.
There's what we call of yoto.
Okay.
You don't know. You don't know of yoto.
Me East Africa. I don't eat it.
You don't know of yoto. When you eat of yoto,
yes.
you must take to big. You cannot just take of yoto and just go like that.
Okay.
No. There is of yoto, and there is chicken,
okay.
there is fish, there is tilapia.
But
there's catfish.
But insect good for health. is good for health.
I think we are doing this. Because I'm very sure you are eating insect. That's why you have been behaving like this.
No. Okay.
That is the reason. Please, as you are talking now, I feel like eating meat because this insect is making me feel bad. I need producer, please, if you want meat, bring because
no, I just want to educate him so he knows that insects is better for climate because the cow they produce gas that is bad like carbon dioxide. I just want to educate you because you're a little bit village man. You don't know that much.
That is your problem.
Okay.
If your climate is bad, it's your problem. My climate is not bad. My climate is very, very, and I eat meat.
You breathe different air.
I don't care your hair that you breathe. My hair is very okay. I eat good meat.
Producer.
I eat goat meat.
Producer, this man.
I eat cow meat.
Producer, this man say he breathe different air. Everywhere in the world climate change is not just your own air. Okay, my friend?
Is it your hair?
It's not my hair.
Why are you arguing my hair?
Okay, take your hair.
Breathe your hair, let me breathe my hair.
You take your hair, I take my hair.
I knew this man is eating something wrong. Insects. So you are eating butterfly, you are eating ants, you are eating fly.
If possible, we will eat.
Ah,
we East African, we different. We think modern.
God forbid.
We East African, we modern.
Keep your East. I am okay with my West. In West, we eat good food.
See.
We eat good food in West.
Producer, let me give you another example of why I don't trust West Africa that much. Put up the picture of the Ghana goalkeeper with something on his face. Put up the picture, producer.
This thing is very sweet. Producer did a good work on this one.
My friend, what is wrong with you West Africans? Why this goalkeeper have?
You will not understand.
What is wrong with you?
You will not understand. Let me tell you something. There are two things involved in that picture. You know? One. In where I come from West Africa, especially Nigeria, when you give birth to a child,
yes,
okay, people will come, they will celebrate with you, especially the mothers.
Yes.
They will not carry powder. You know powder?
Yes.
This is white powder.
Yes.
They will rub it on your face and rub it on your body. It's celebration. I know you people don't know how to celebrate. They don't celebrate. Don't worry. Don't worry, it's okay.
No, but this man is goalkeeper.
You wait. So what I'm thinking is this. Maybe when he was playing, then somebody called and said,
okay,
oh, your wife has given birth.
Okay.
So immediately he ran out and quickly emergency powder.
Okay. But wait, one moment.
Yes.
The man is from Ghana.
Of course, that's East.
It's West. Yes.
Oh, sorry, West. Why does say East? He has now this guy has just me to say East. God forbid.
Yeah, because
West
is better. It is
West.
better. That's why.
So you see, Ghana, Nigeria, yes, Cameroon, Togo,
yes,
Benin Republic, because we have good cultures. You understand that? So we understand it. Maybe he's married to a Nigerian woman. That's why they have good culture.
I think you are trying to say East Africa does not have culture.
No, far from it. I can never say that. Of course, you have culture.
Yes.
The best culture I like it is wait, women are that's
Producer, let's move on.
I love their culture. I love their culture.
No, producer, let's move on.
I love the
No, producer. Now he wants to talk about our women. That is
okay.
That is no. Let me leave our women
I'm
alone.
Sorry.
How many children you have?
Children?
Yes.
Oh. About children, wait, let me drink.
I know the answer already, but I just want him to say it.
Before I answer the question, when you say children, the ones I know or the ones that know me?
You choose. Okay. You choose. Because I know when you die, there will be more children that will come to your funeral. I know.
Of course. So the last time I checked, that was 2000. I can't remember. 2000. I think I was somebody. I don't know. They told me. I can't keep this record. I think it was like maybe 72.
How much?
72.
The man says 72 children.
The ones that I know. So the ones that know me.
Once you say 72,
sorry.
I feel like coughing.
Bring water.
No, the ones that know me. So people like, oh, we are very fertile. So we are very fertile.
Let me
it's just one. Pew.
Let me tell you.
What
you people, you can do good suki.
Oh, of course.
Very good suki.
Of course.
In Japan now,
yes,
they have a problem. They might need some of your people.
You don't mean it?
Yes.
Okay.
Because in Japan, last year they record lowest ever birth rate since recording. They don't make babies enough. So the president tell the people,
yes,
we need babies. If we don't have babies, we don't have workers.
Of course.
You need.
Yes, that's very true.
Yeah.
Yes.
Huh? So they tell we need more babies, but maybe the culture, the men can't do suki. Maybe
That's a big problem.
So
In Ghana, we say asem.
it's asem.
That's big problem.
Yes.
If you can't make babies anymore, you need to die.
Yes. Because even God put Adam and Eve make babies.
Even the Bible says, go into the world and multiply.
Yes, sir.
So you can't tell me that you are alive in this world and you cannot
But
No.
I have one fear. Maybe your Nigerian people, if they go there, they will make too many babies.
Charlie, they want babies. We have the machine for it. Nigerians, we are baby making machines.
Yes, but
Immediately we go there,
yes.
Japan will run away.
Japan.
Oh, they will run from Japan.
Japan will run from Japan.
You don't get it. If Nigerians will enter Japan to make bomb, tomorrow they are running.
They're running. I believe you.
All the women.
Yes.
Oh, I tell you, 2 days.
Yes.
Boom.
Allah. Inshallah.
If I strike one, it's 3 children.
I know you guys suki number one. I know you guys.
Very fertile.
I know you guys. If you
At
want
the
to
moment,
yes.
the machine they use in counting children in Nigeria is spoiled. You know what? Too many children. Too many.
My friend,
Too
I
many.
believe you. My friend, I believe
When I
you.
got to 100 million, the
Yes.
machine said, I can't work. The machine is spoiled.
The machine is spoiled. Yes, I believe you. That is normal. That is normal.
Yes.
Let's get a little bit serious. There is a woman in UK. She used to do some reality show stuff and blah blah blah. You know that stuff.
Yes.
She come out in a podcast. I think the podcast name The Big Ego. No, sorry, Ego Media. And the woman talk about something serious. No joke now, please.
Yes.
I know you are a little bit crazy, but now let's give good
No,
good
it's
advice.
okay.
Okay.
I will be serious.
Let's give good advice.
Yes.
She talk about her addiction to porn
Yes.
and alcohol. Producer, run the clip for the audio. Run the audio. Not the clip. We don't want to get sued.
Okay.
Run the audio.
From this, I'm not gonna lie.
I mean, let's touch on that. I know we're struggling for time. Let's touch on that. Drinking, right? You said you think you got an issue with drinking, right? And we did have a bottle of wine here, and I said I'm gonna be responsible, and I'm not gonna let you have a bottle of wine because I think it is good to, as a host, to make sure you say what you say and you say it with chest, and there's nothing. Oh, I had a drink, and also as a duty of care, what's going on with the drinking? And not to put you on the spot here, but also there's a lot of people who do have addictions and who do have issues with drinking who may find this helpful.
I have an addiction for alcohol and porn.
Okay.
Combined. The drinking just started from a lot of trauma, PTSD. Do you know what I mean? It was just a coping mechanism. And it still is, but then it just became a normal thing. So like after work, if I've done a long day at work, I'll go get a bottle of rum. Do you know what I mean? On a daily basis.
Just even a wine things like.
Yeah, it's heavy. That's why when you were saying you're gonna not give me the drink, I was thinking this is water. Because what I drink is Henny, rum. That's my everyday drink. You know what I'm trying to say? Like I'm currently on a waiting list to talk to someone about it. So I felt like I've spoken to therapists, I've spoken to counsellors, I've done all of these things and it wasn't working. And do you know what I decided to do, Bobby? Especially with porn. Porn is hard because porn it's an alternative when you're not having sex. Do you know what I'm trying to say?
Do you have a sex addiction?
I guess. I mean, you know, if I'm not watching porn, I would prefer to have sex. But if I'm not in a relationship, you know, having that regular sex is not easy. And if you continue to with these guys, you know, that's when you get into them problems. Do you understand? So, you know, as you get older, you do realise you can't be chopping everyone anywhere, anytime. You understand? STD, pregnancy, the usual. But I think what's now helped me, which I would probably advise everyone or anyone, is I've only had like a drink twice in the last 2 weeks, which is a huge change for me. And I've only watched porn twice compared to like every day, which is a huge change for me. And my advice is that I turn to God. So I don't talk about church or God or Christians or anything like that on my platform. You know, I've never spoken about it, but I just wanted to use this opportunity to let people know that I have been going to church.
The woman explained her struggle.
Yes.
It's not joke, but she said she needs those stuff. She's trying now, going to God and everything.
Yes.
Give her advice. You wise man. You're a little bit crazy, but you wise man.
For a moment,
yes.
Let me be very, 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 very serious.
Busy.
You understand me now?
Please, please.
The Bible, there is nothing that you cannot take to God.
Okay.
As far as you come to God with a clean heart,
okay,
God will always take you and do what you have asked for.
Okay.
The way the Bible says, ask and it shall be given. Knock and the door will be open.
Yes.
Now she has come to God for help and God is helping her. The only problem I'm having now is on the video, she just said that before she was doing it every day.
Yes.
Now she's doing it 2 times a day. You see the problem?
I see you.
So whoever God has actually redeemed is redeemed forever.
Okay.
So if God should clean you, He cleans you forever. So I don't really know if she's telling us the truth or not.
So you don't believe?
No, it's not that I don't believe. I do, but you see that 2 times. My brother, many things can go wrong.
So sorry
so
too much.
If you want to be clean, my sister,
yes,
be clean and be clean for once.
Yes.
Once and for all.
Yes, but here's the problem.
And mind you,
yes,
going to church on Sunday is not enough. You say you are a Christian, you are going to church only on Sunday.
Yes.
What about prayer meeting? You are not going. Bible study, you are not going.
Do you go?
What of
Do you go?
See, we are not talking about it. We are talking about the young girl. We are talking about the young girl.
This man want to be a hypocrite and he want to be a wise man too.
No.
So what are you? Are you a wise man or are you a hypocrite?
I do go to Sunday school.
Sunday school. Are you a child? Sunday school is for children.
You see these Islam people, they don't know anything. He says Sunday school is for children. But it's okay, I will leave you because I know you don't even go to church yet. But it's okay. All these people, it's okay, it's fine. Don't worry. Just leave Christianity for us. We don't know you don't know. Like I said, I do attend Sunday school. So I'm doing well. Yes. I'm not watching porn. She's the one that's watching porn. I'm drinking alcohol.
Are you sure?
It's just like this one. This one is not like this one is medicinal.
Holy water.
Thank you, my brother. You see me now? So it depends on how you see it. If you see it with your spiritual eye, it's just holy water. It's like if you see it with your physical eye, maybe you will say it's alcohol. But like I was saying, so let's talk about
producer, let's end the show.
No,
you want to give advice, but then you say. You see, now if you get bad producer, the show stop, he doesn't even know. My friend, do you think we can work with this producer?
If you want to be hosting me on this show,
yes,
so that I will be coming,
yes,
you need to change it because
what is this word producer?
At first,
he all of a sudden tell us 30 minutes the camera stop, try again. What are you crazy, producer? Are you crazy?
You just
we pay you. No, my friend. We pay you to do a good show for us. After 30 minutes, you tell us the camera stop. Just all of us. You did ignore. Is this man also West African, no? This man also West African.
Just before he and his producer they start fighting, I need to be on my way.
So now this man is leaving me alone.
I have other guests that are waiting. Other programs that are waiting for me. So I'll see you some other time. Take care of yourself, man. And make sure you have sense before the next show. Not you don't have sense and be asking me stupid questions.
Producer, I am very sad now because I don't think I can do show with this man.